I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you re-seeing a transfer pending message on Remitly, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause delays in processing your transfer. Step 2. Review transfer details. Double check the details of your transfer, including the recipient's information and the amount. Any errors can lead to a pending status. Step 3. Verify payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact customer support. If everything seems correct but the transfer is still pending, reach out to Remitly's customer support. They can provide specific information about your transfer status. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After addressing any issues, wait for a confirmation email or a notification from Remitly. Transfers can take some time to process, especially during peak hours. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the pending transfer issue quickly. Don't hesitate to reach out for help if you need it.